Hey guys, me Justin here, and today we're going to be doing something I don't really think will get views. No. And my dad said, you have to do it, blah 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 blah. So I'm just going to sit here for 10 minutes straight, just playing with this. Okay, no. Gonna get onto the video, even though I don't want to do it. Guess what it is? Well, you probably guessed wrong because it's dead. But my dad wants me to do it. Sorry if my voice is a little bit weird, but here it is. Spinners. Okay, so first off, we have this. So yeah, we have this thing here. It's pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. And this one. One of the first ever fidget spinners I got. Here's this one. It's from Overwatch. I forgot its name. Like, it's Genji's Minister, I think. Good. Now we have this, one of my favorites. Number one, because it's good. Number two, it's rainbows. Number three, you can take them off to get patterns. See, now it's two. Or if you're stupid enough, you can do this. Just really shake it. Or you could do triad. It's pretty good. So here's this one called the UFO for the spinner. Lime green UFO. So what I like about this one is it has these metal balls here. Metal balls. Okay, we got these. They can actually spin. You can't press in or click anything. Because it's a spoon. Got these light ones. Not really my favorite, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. Then I have another one. It's red. So we got the Lamborghini one. For some reason this doesn't really work. It shakes a lot. Here, look. Do that. Ones I love that. Now this one. The Delta fidget spinner. Just remember its name. Here's one. I think this is my third ever fidget spinner. It's actually one of my favorites. Really friggin' cool. Here we have this metal solid one. Silent. You can barely hear it. It smells really cool. Here we got a gold fidget spinner. Doesn't really have bearings right here, just some metal thing. This is broken. Because, okay, well, it's not broken. Then I have a Captain America one. You got, what is it? You know how when metal, it got washed. So, like, my little sister just put it in the bathtub, and she was playing with it in the water. And now it's literally destroyed. Not destroyed, I mean, it still looks like a fidget spinner, but you can't spin it, like, just stops. Here's one. I think it's my first ever fancy fidget spinner. You know what I mean? Like when I say, like, this is not a fancy fidget spinner. It's a regular one. It's a regular one. This is my first ever fancy one. Like, one that has, like, curves, averages, and, like, averages, and two, and, you know. Got this one. Metal. Don't like this one very much. We got the minis. I'm sure these off last, but I'll show them. You can spin really fast because it's fully plastic. I mean, I think even the inside is not even metal. Oh wait, actually it is. It's not. Okay. So, fidget spinner, mini one's number one. Spins a little bit better. Number two. Spins really good. So we have this one, another gold fidget spinner. The other one spins longer, but this, I like the look of it better. Damn it. Here's this one. Whenever it's a two-side fidget spinner, and when you spin it and you shake it like this, it always runs out really fast. I don't know why. To keep it stable. Just runs out really fast. When you do it with, you know, a three-sided one, not the same problem. So here's one. This is my little sister's. It's only on one. Stole for the video. Here's the exact same thing. This is mine. It's just blue. To hold it like this, like you can't hold them like this, because see, these are really thick, and they'll just hit your hand like what? Oh my god! And this one right here, it's like a rock one. I have more fidget spinners, by the way. Just these are all the ones I can find. Ow! I got a pirate one. Yeah. Some. So this is the, you know, the flag, like the American flag. Pretty cool. Koopa Lake. And let me do something to make this more interesting. Oh gosh. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. Just need to move my legs. I'm gonna show you this. Bye! This is not all I want to show you. To show you this for now. Press it. Spin it. You can light switch. You can click it. You can let it go. You have a thumbprint. Feels real good. You have a video game type of thing. You can press it too. And that's not all I'm going to show you. I'll also show you this. Wah-bam! Wah-bam! Good. So, yeah, yesterday, I got this. Good. Okay, here. Here's a good present for you. Okay. So, brace your Pheonix. Move on, move on. That's all the articulation. There, of course, is more in the arm because the way it's like made. It's just really weird. So, here, let me show you the good one. So here, we got the hands. Got the open hands. Got the open hands. Hand. Okay, that's for one. Here's for the other. Actually, one of the hands does have a brass thing, like a knuckle thing. Could put that one on. So I can. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty good. And here's another gimmick. So you see this? You know how in the movie, spoiler, should I even say it in the movie? I think everyone that watched this video is either not gonna even watch the thing because they just really want to watch my YouTube channel, or if you're a fan of Pacific Rim, then you probably already watched the movie. So whatever. So you know how in the movie it has Gatling guns on the chest? Well, this also has that gimmick. So let me just. So what you do is here, you see this? You take that off. There it is. To the side. And here. Here's another one. Just insert it. And then you have Gatling guns. So, yeah, I just review that. You know how in the movie they also can put Gatling guns behind, like how it goes behind, under, and like Gatling gun here? Well, you can also do that by doing this. You take it out. See, took it out. And now I'm gonna put this one on. Okay. So yeah. Gatling guns behind. You can also do both sides, but I'm gonna do that because that can't happen in the movie. So I'm gonna put these little things back on. And where's the other thing? And yeah, that's pretty much my video. But hey, if you click that like button and subscribe,